Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up donations in Vinted in 2025. If you want to donate your earnings to a charity, feel free to click on Profile, then Donations, and now set up recurring donations. Now I only have 2 charities available here. Select the one that you want to support, then select donation rate, and this is the percentage of your earnings that will be donated to that charity organization. Then click on set up recurring donations, and now it is added. You'll also see the total you've donated once you actually sell items. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.